Hey guys, how you doing here? Joe Santora. Good morning. I just want to let you know I just received a package from Atomy. That's the opportunity I'm doing. I've shared a lot of YouTubes about it. Let me just unpack it here first. I'm kind of excited about this order because I've gotten many orders. And this order here, I actually didn't even order through my own account. I ordered through a partner's account, which is an option we have with Atomy to help other partners also achieve earnings. Okay, so let me just open this up here and see what I got today. Okay, Atomy Power Bite Energizer. Guys, this is such an amazing product. You talk about energy. I mean, it's packed with vitamins and minerals and energy. You can actually feel it as you drink it. You can actually feel it coming into you. This comes in little individual packets. You just pour it in the water and go from there. But it's a great product. Okay. Now, okay, here you go. All you men and women out there too. Hair tonic. All right. I can't wait to start using this. I'll use it actually probably starting tonight. I have pretty good head of hair yet compared to my family, but I'm just starting some spots. So hair tonic is supposed to help rejuvenate the roots, get the hair growing again, just like a lawn. You know, you fertilize it, its roots start growing underneath. So I'm hoping to have a fuller head of hair yet in months to come. Okay, guys, we'll definitely keep you updated on that. Great products here. Okay, Atomy sunscreen. I got 4 of these in. Okay, again, we all need sunscreen. Gotta have it, especially down here where I live in the beach area. We tend to be outside a lot and enjoying the sun. SPF 50 plus, broad spectrum. And again, these are all plant-based, great products, okay? Silicium husk. You want to move smooth and regular? Check this product out. I use this every day. It's fantastic. I only have a couple left, so I thank God I got this order just on time. So guys, again, daily necessities is everything we handle, everything we use every single day. We'll keep going to the bottom here. Okay, here we go. Men, saw palmetto. This product here, 90 soft gels, okay? You talk about saving money, right? The previous product I used for years, okay? I used to have to take 2 a day, and they were only 60 in a bottle, okay? Which meant I had 1 month's supply. Atomy saw palmetto, 90 in a bottle. I take 1 a day. That gives me 90-day supply, all right? 3 months. So I'm saving, and plus this has so many more minerals and additives to it that are the best natural, okay? You can't beat it. So you do save money when you're buying through Atomy. Okay, vitamin D3, again, amazing product. I don't do a day without it. My wife doesn't go a day without it. It's just an awesome product. Like every other product we have, guys. There are products we all use, we all need every day, daily essentials. Okay, just got this from my wife. Atomy evening care set, all right? Our skincare products are by far the best products created on this earth. And that's not even making stories about it, okay? We have won so many awards on these products. Korea has the best skincare products in the world. They're well known for it, okay? So again, I can't wait for her to try this. I think she'll be really happy with it. Right now, I think we're using right around 39 to 40 products. And again, I'm not spending any more money than I did before. In fact, I'm actually probably spending less. This last item that I got in, I'm really excited about it. Sorry I'm moving all around, but I'm really excited about this product. All right. my life scenario. Guys, this is the key. I'm going to try to open one of these up and just take a peek at it. This is the key to building success, okay? Because if you don't plan your life out, it just goes into all the different things. Dream vividly and it will come true. Okay, guys? We have to plan. And this is really, really, really good. It gives you a complete monthly plan, how to plan what you want to do. I've been going through this program now. I just ordered these books, but I've had it written down on paper through another program I went through, a training with Atomy. Here you go, check this out. You just get to fill in your monthly wheels, your goals, your ambitions, right? Guys, if we don't write our dreams and goals down, they're not going to be easy to achieve, because if they're just in the back of our mind, that really means nothing. But if you have them down on paper and you look at them every day and you keep updating them, right, you can move forward, okay? So I'm excited. I'm excited that I got these in my hands. I'm going to be sharing with other people, okay? I got 10 of them, so that's a great thing. Guys, Atomy is an amazing company. Products are amazing. Lowest, absolute quality, absolute price is our motto. We have the best, highest quality products at the lowest possible price. You can't beat it, guys. And the opportunity is unbelievable. Get this. All right. I've been in a lot of other network marketing companies over the years, and there's always cutoffs and breakoffs, and where the company takes more money from you. This company maxes us out at $100,000 a month income. Okay, $100,000 a month. That's a pretty darn good income. Okay, and it's 3 generations. What I earn when I pass away, it goes to my children. When they pass away, it goes to their children, my grandchildren. So, guys, it's a 3 generational blessing, right? If you want to learn more about it, just, give me a message. Shoot me. My information will be below here. Check it out. Come to my website. Guys, we all need something different in the future. We're all shopping. Why not change where you shop for your daily necessities and earn an income at it also? Why not do it, guys? All right, I'm here for you. Check it out. Go to my website, JSantoraAtomy, and that'll be underneath here. All right, looking forward to talking to you guys. Love you all. Have a great, blessed day. See you soon. Bye-bye now.